Let's start with the 15th sum. A state highway lead to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observe a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. So man is AB is the height of the tower. Is it? A man standing at the top of the tower observe the car at first instant, making an angle of depression 30 degree. It is point D. Is it? A man observe from here and see the car at point D at first instant of time, making an angle of 30 degree. After 6 seconds, is it? After 6 seconds, what has happened? After 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Is it? Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. From this point means BC you have to find. Is it? From here to here. From C to D is taken 6 seconds. So let AB be the height of the tower, which is equal to y meter. Now BD is a BD. Here the distance between BD is the distance between the car and the base of the tower at first instance, and the BC is the distance between the car and the base of the tower at second instant after the 6 seconds. Is it? So we'll take the triangle ADB, okay, first, and then ACB. So if you take, it is ACB, first triangle, in triangle ACB, it is 60 degree. Is it? So tan 60 is AB upon BC is equal to root 3 y upon x. If you multiply here, it will be can be written as root 3x. Root 3x, is it? Is equal to y. That is the first. In ABD, tan 30 is equal to AB upon BD. 1 by root 3 is equal to y. If you multiply here, then y root 3. It is, you have to write root 3y, not y root 3. Is it? Multiply here, then x plus y is equal to root 3y. Substituting the value of y, root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is what? Is it? Substituting the value of y here in the first equation. So it will be x root 3 into root 3, or it will be written as, actually it should be written as root 3x into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So root 3x. Okay, and x plus 6. So 2x, 3x, x will go that side. So it will be minus. So 3x minus x is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower is 3 seconds. The angle of the elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower, and in the same straight line which are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter, or we find that height of the tower is 6 meter. Got it? Here, let AB the height of the tower, y meter, and what is here? It is the distance between the first point of observation and the base of the tower, which is 4 meter. BC, here you should have written BC. BC is equal to the distance between the first point of observation and the base of the tower. Is it? Then here BD. BD is equal to distance between the second point of observation and the base of the tower, which is 9 meter. So first we'll take ACB. Okay, in triangle ACB, what do you get in triangle ACB? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to AB upon BC. Tan theta is equal to y upon BC is 4. So is equal to, if you multiply, you will get y is equal to 4 tan theta. In triangle ADB, tan 90 minus theta is AB upon BD. 90 minus theta means angle will change, so it will be cos theta. Okay, 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to y upon 9. If you multiply here, y is equal to 9 cot theta. This is second. Cross multiply these two. Is it? If you multiply from first and second, multiply these two. Y into y y square. 9 4s are 36. Cot into tan into cot. Okay. So from first and second, y into y, we will get y square 4 into tan theta into 9 into cot theta. But what is cot theta? 1 upon 10. Is it? So 1 upon 10. So 10 and 10 cancel. 9 4s are 36. Is it? So 9 4s are 36. 9 into 4 36. So 36 is equal to y square. So y is equal to root 36. So y is equal to 6. Okay. Hence proved. It is 6 meter. Hence it is proved.